again, my awesome ELIC 32 students. Welcome to our class one more time. Again, my name is Kate Hay. I'm your instructor this semester, and I wanted to send you this video to welcome you again and tell you that you are not alone. I am here to help you, so if you have any questions, any suggestions, any problems, please reach out and let me know. I also wanted to let you know that if you don't have your book just yet, please have a look at one of the modules that I just added. It's called course materials, and I added 2 first chapters of our book. So if you're still waiting for your book to arrive, if you ordered online, please go to that module, again, course materials, and you can find the first 2 chapters. So you can start doing your exercises, you can start reading the rules that I mentioned also in my previous videos. I also wanted to let you know that if you are feeling overwhelmed during this first week of classes, that's a completely normal feeling. I just don't want you to get disappointed. So if you get stuck on anything grammar related, I am here. So reach out, please use the Q&A cafe. I really like that option because other students can chime in and you don't have to wait too long for me to respond because, as you know, I'm getting a lot of emails, especially at the beginning of the semester, and it may take a day or 2 for me to respond. So if you use the Q&A cafe to ask questions, other students may chime in and answer your question faster than I would. And also, it's very beneficial for other students who may have the same question as you, but are too shy or too afraid to ask. This way, they will benefit from looking at your question and looking at the answers. Anyway, I hope this was a little helpful. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know. And I would like you to enjoy this class, and I really hope you will learn a lot. Have a wonderful semester.